Hello friends, welcome to Learn English by GB Sir. Today is day 1 of our English speaking practice series. In this video, we will learn simple English sentence, vocabulary and 1 minute conversation that you can use every day. So, let's begin and start speaking English with confidence. Part 1. Daily sentence. Let's start with 5 simple daily sentences. Repeat after me and speak confidently. Hello, how are you? My name is Gajanan. I am from India. I am learning English. I like to speak English every day. Tip: speak a sentence 3 times: slow, normal, and fast. That's how you train your tongue and pronunciation. Part 2. Vocabulary practice. Now let's learn 5 important English words with meaning and example sentence. Happy means Anandi. I am happy today. Learns means Shikne. I learn English every day. Friend means Mitra. You are my good friend. House means Ghar. My house is clean. Water means Pani. Please give me some water. Now it's your turn. Make one sentence with each word and say it aloud. Part 3. Small conversation practice. Let's do a short speaking practice together. GB Sir said, hello, what's your name? Student or viewer. My name is. Write your name here. GB Sir said, where are you from? Student. I am from. Write your village or city name. GB Sir, do you like English? Student. Yes, I like English very much. Repeat this small conversation 2 or 3 times every day. You will start thinking in English naturally. Part 4. Homework and motivation. Now friend, it's time for your small homework. Speak the 5 daily sentences in front of a mirror. Make 5 new sentences using today's vocabulary. Practice the mini conversation for 5 minutes. Remember, don't be shy. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Even if you make a mistake, keep speaking. Mistakes are your best teachers. So friends, this was day 1 English speaking practice with me, GB Sir. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Learn English by GB Sir. For the next lesson, day 2, self-introduction in English. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep learning and keep growing. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.